We start by finding the midpoint of AB. So take the coordinates of A and B as x1, y1 and x2, y2. The question, it is given that M is the midpoint of AB. So to find M, we apply the midpoint formula. Substitute the values of x1, y1 and x2, y2 from A and B to find M. So we get M is 2, 17. Now we start with the coordinates of B and C. Take them as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Since N is the midpoint of BC, to find N, again apply the midpoint formula. So we get N is 6, 22. Apply distance formula to find the distance between M and N. Take the coordinates as x1, y1 and x2, y2 and substitute into the distance formula. The required distance Mn equal to root 41 or 6.4 if you write it in decimals.